unboxing video on the KWA mp7, and it is brand new, $254, and I just got it about 4 weeks ago, and I wanted to do an unboxing video, so I'm gonna do it now. Just made an account, subscribe, like. When you first open the box, you can see obviously the mp7 itself, and I'm gonna go into the mp7. Yeah, it does not come with this piece of shit strap. I just put that on there, and I will go from top to bottom. Show you the camera. It has pistol sights. I like it because they have the white dots, so you can see like right when you're moving up to a guy, and then you can't like see him. And the sights of the white helps it better aiming. And obviously you can switch it up to rifle sights very easily. And if you don't want any of this, you can easily grab a screwdriver and take it off easily and put a dot sight if you wanted to. Moving down, you got a long rail up here, short rail right here, and on the other side another short rail. You got a hand grip if you want it to hold and run, or if you don't want it, just put it back down. And there's a stock in there if you want it, like a rifle. I don't really use it. Gets in the way with my vest and everything. And close, see, got safety, semi, and auto. And I believe that is it. So